Hi, hello to my YouTube channel at Culture with this guy, Mangi. This is the second part of wild animals, so please stick around to the end. Hello YouTube family, I'm so happy that you joined us here today. In the last episode we were talking about wild animals. We looked at the warthog, the crocodile, the wild beast, the cheetah, the ostrich, the chameleon, the wild dog, the bear, that's the Ryurugenye, the leopard, Engo, the tiger, Engo, Enene, and the lion, Endo, the king of the jungle. Yeah. Oh my god, thanks guys for joining me today, and I'm so happy. I'm very humble. Like nasikia vizuri mmekam. Yeah, so please remember to subscribe. So let us do this. The first one is the monkey. The monkey. This is monkey, and so we're going to look at the monkey. The monkey is called egekondo. Gekondo nsirero mwana. That is the monkey is called egekondo. Now related to the monkey is the baboon. The baboon is called enguge. The baboon is called enguge, and then we have enchogu, that is the elephant with its big trunks. Trunk ni gani by the way? Kuna ile tusks na trunk. Ngoja. Okay, mimi sijuangi animals by the way. But enchogu is the elephant. And what ekebengi, that is a stray dog. Tunasumbua kwa Kenyoro. Ndio kwa hizo zinakimbia kila mahali man. Zinasumbua. Ndio ekebengi. Iyo mutakire mwanye bwata mwanye ase munaigonga kabisa. Ekebengi is a stray dog. Enchage, the zebra. Man, you gonna do this? Zebra, I ain't gonna do this. Enchage is a zebra. Then the rabbit. Okay, the hare and the rabbit are called egesusu. Lakini now the hare is egesusu kioro sana. The hare is not this hair. The hair is a piece of me. The hare is egesusu kioro sana, and then the rabbit negesusu. No, the rabbits are domesticated. So, and to say domesticated is nigo togotuga egesusu. Togotuga egesusu aseti nyumba chiaitu. Yes. So the hare is egesusu kioro sana, and then the rabbit is just egesusu. So the next one is the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is called engubo. Engubo by the chingubo. Chingobo ni mango za mtu. And then engubo ngubemo, and then engubo is a shield. So engubo, the hippopotamus, is called engubo. Kebwengia kura manganse. Manganse kebwengia kura. Ekebwe is a fox. A fox is called ekebwe. Ekebwe ngiakura manganse. Ekebwe is the fox. A giant in Ekebwe is called rirongototo. Rirongototo nane nigo toka seri nani. Ande riri miakeri yakare nigo abantu bari ko genda seri nani gotwara is hunting. So mwagenda ari mwara neri nani. Of course giants are mythical creatures. Korende moko yoro muntu bwate ngubero munene. That reminds me. With that watu wenye wanakuwa na tumbo kubwa hapo wakikimbia, so like msako na kitumbo kibigi na anakimbia. I think sasa anakuwa na running stomach. Kana kitumbo ni kama tumbo la kiwa kandaki na like the snake for a very long time has been called engiti. Korende, engiti is not a snake. Engiti is an animal. A snake is called engendanse. Engendanse. Yeah, engendanse is a snake. And any okogenda is to walk. And nse is down. Now that it slithers on the ground is called engendanse. Engendanse. And we have different types of snakes. On top of it, enyerunyansi. On enyerunyansi, Onyansi is grass. Onyansi is grass. And then you have different types of grass. oroase esuguta tuwate tuko na esuguta, tuko na ekenyambi, tuko na emurwa, tuko na esereti. We'll talk about that in a different episode. But Enyarunyansi is the green mamba. Then Evaswiti, I think kuna na monitor Evaswiti Kisii. And Eversweet is the python. Eversweet is the python. Riruvi is the Indian cobra. Riruvi is the Indian cobra. Njoka is a green mamba, a poisonous African snake, but also the name given to the devil. She says the devil Saitani Makobo Virecha Nyatieni. We've come to the end of this episode, and that's not the end of wild animals. Wild animals are very many, but please subscribe to my channel so that we will meet again in the next episode to talk about more and more. Wait, more in kitu gani? Talk about more and more wild animals. Tafadhali, Culture Bank is the YouTube channel. Mangi Mangi is this guy. If you subscribe, man, you'll make me a very happy boy. Please subscribe. I'm very happy. All right, please, as you subscribe, God bless you and see you in the next episode. Asante sana.